first thing you need to know about the Export to Excel feature in Tradestation is that it exports data in whatever time period you have set up on your chart. So if you want daily data, as I'm doing here, your chart needs to be daily data. If you want to export data on 5-minute or a 1 hour or a weekly or a monthly basis, whatever, you set your chart up that way and Tradestation will export it that way. The other thing you need to know is that Tradestation will export all the data you actually have in the current chart. Now in this particular chart I'm going to show you by right-clicking in the chart, selecting Format Symbol and popping up the Format Symbol window. I'm currently using daily data that goes back for 2 years. So I'm going to get 2 years of ES data on a daily basis. Alright, so how do we actually export to Excel? Inside your chart, right-click, select Insert Analysis Technique from the window that pops up, and you'll see the Insert Analysis Technique window. Make sure you have the Indicator tab selected. Scroll down until you find the indicator called Export to Excel. Click on that, click on the OK button, and the Format Indicator Export to Excel is going to pop up. Now, we don't want to do anything with it right now. I just want you to click on the OK button so you can see what happens to your chart. Down here at the bottom of the chart, we can see that the Export to Excel indicator has been installed. However, the 0 tells us that it hasn't been turned on yet. To actually export the data in this chart, you have to turn on the indicator. How do we do that? I'm going to show you. Right-click inside the chart, click on Format Analysis Technique, and make sure that you see Export to Excel in your Format Analysis Techniques window. Click on it and click on the Format button. On the window that pops up, you have a variable called File App. That's on the Inputs tab. Select that value, change it from 0 to 1, click on OK, and click on Close. Now that's going to change this 0 here in the the chart from to a 1. That means that the Export to Excel indicator has been turned on, and it has now created an export file with 2 years of daily data. Oh, one last thing I want you to know about. Before you go anywhere else, you want to turn off this indicator so it doesn't keep running. So once again, right-click on your chart, select Format Analysis Techniques. What I like to do is I like to leave the indicator on the chart, but I like to turn the status off. So just click on Status. That'll change the status to off. Click on Close, and you'll see that it has removed that indicator from your chart. That's all there is to it. Now, how do we use that data? Well, that's going to be the subject for the next video. Okay, let's review. First, set your chart with the right symbol, interval, and time period. Next, add the Export to Excel indicator to your chart. Set the value of the indicator to 1. That creates the export file. And then finally, turn the indicator off by changing its status to off.